Hey guys, it's Laurel and Pierre with Blue Ox on the Run, and today we have got something special for you. This is the Entegra by Jayco, the 37K Super C. Now stick around to the end because we're going to share with you our favorite and least favorite items on this particular unit.
Hey, welcome to my kind of the world, the part of the world. Super C, Class C, Freightliner frame, real truck frame. I love those. This is my dream. This is the advantage of this is I can actually carry Misfit in the back, and that would be phenomenal. So
Misfit? Who's Misfit?
my Jeep, our Escape, to go out west again. So typical entrance with electrical steps. Nice feature, nice Jayco construction. It's kind of nice to see the quality. Little entertainment center outside, makes it look and feels nice so you can sit out. And the awning actually comes out on the right place.
The awning is all the way
Furnace
to here.
Is on this side. This is a cool feature. I like this because you end up here. They supply you the Evertrail, so you even have your cooler outside ready to go instead of going up and down. And especially with the grandkids, Laurel's got a lot of them. I'm just in charge of taking care of none. When they're nice,
I'll take them all.
So look at this, right through the other side. I mean, no, I shouldn't show that. No, Laurel, there's no storage. We're done. There's nothing going on. There's no room for nothing. Imagine.
He doesn't want to see me put my clothes in here.
Snowboard in there. Jesus. So
I'm not camping in the winter. I'm sorry. I'm not going anywhere snow.
Propane access. So see, you got a propane system, and I can see you got an on-demand water heater in there. So that's kind of cool. So again, storage everywhere.
There's a ton of storage. I love that.
And that is the key right there. That hitch enables you to haul your Jeep and go to the Jeep Beach Week. Solid staircase. See, that's what I was talking about. Water heater on demand. Girard, again, that's getting to be real popular. So this is the ultimate key right there. 8,000 watt independence right away. Water-based system. So your wet bay is there, all ready to go. And understandable, easy, simple. Just like what we have on different other brands. Filtration system in there. So everything looks kosher, looks to work. And right there you see those access to the bay door. Nice glass, frameless.
Lots of storage underneath here.
No storage for a woman. This is just a guy's place. This is your battery rack. Well, I'd have to pull both at the same time, but so you store all your house batteries on there. So house battery is for the coach itself, and the chassis battery is for the engine itself. We're looking at a Cummins in here. That's about 400 horsepower. There's different kind of 430, 460. So you check it out. You see what you like. For me, whatever's in there, this is phenomenal. So now let's go see what it looks inside. Maybe she'll like it. Let's go.
If you're enjoying this video so far, we invite you to hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be notified when our next video comes out. So come on in and check out this Super C. This is a beautiful unit. I can picture us riding down the road together and me getting up and getting you a cup of coffee. So coming in here into the kitchen area, this is great. You've got a nice, beautiful countertop to do all of your slicing and dicing. You can lift all of this to have access to your full basin sink and your stovetop. It's a Furrion induction. You need special magnetic cookware to cook on that induction. Yes, and we have a little leaf here on the end to also lift up for added extra room. Plenty of storage underneath the cooktop, and you have the Furrion convection microwave. So you can bake brownies and pop popcorn also. You have your residential fridge. I love, look at this. All up nice and tall. Access to the freezer right here. And behind you, we have a booth. So you've got great seating, but this also can be flipped down, made into a bed. So if you're carrying along some friends, there's a place for them to sleep. You've got a ton of storage over here. which is phenomenal. And we'll come back to what's behind you over there. You've got your sofa, which is electric and reclining, which goes right here, straight on to your entertainment center, where you can watch TV and also have a nice little fire. There's a ton of storage above the couch as well. So they've really given you a lot of storage in this Super C. I'm not going to step in here, but if you'd like to step into the bathroom, there you go. So good size bathroom.
Well, that's the common bathroom for everybody. Okay, I hear what you're saying. All right, so we're gonna do this backwards because I couldn't show everything if I was trying to follow Laurel. So here we go. I'm in the bathroom in the back, showing off this cute little sink and this little shower, full shower. I can actually walk in there and I don't need a rope soap, so that would be kind of cool. And this is the bedroom. Nice feature. Bedding. What were you saying about the bed?
Yes, but the nice thing about this bed is it actually slides in and folds up like a hospital bed. So during the day, you have more room to walk beside the bed. So at night, you fold it out, and during the day, you slide it in. And over here, we have washer and dryer already hooked up, set up here in this beautiful coach. And on this side is a beautiful closet where you can put a lot of stuff.
Yeah, and there's drawers underneath.
And it's sort of like a little desk, I guess, if you wanted to, you know, put your computer there, that would certainly work. So in the comments below, what do you like about Super Cs? We already know what Pierre likes, but we want to hear from you. What would you like? And we're going to tell you our favorite feature and least favorite feature.
All right, so we couldn't stay in there.
It's hot.
There's no AC, and the salesman just brought the key, but it was too late, so I said, nah.
So now you know why we choose rainy days. It's not as hot.
Exactly. So we did that for you.
Now we're going to tell you our least favorite items on this particular unit. And I'm going to start. So my least favorite, it's the refrigerator setup. I love the fridge. It's just, it's too tall. I could never reach one thing on the top shelf. Now, ladies, if you're short like me, you'll understand. Tall ladies, you're going to be happy with it, but it's a size thing. I know.
Not that short.
Just a little bit.
So my least favorite is what was it again? What was it?
I don't know. I don't know. I do know. It's way in the back.
Oh, yeah, exactly. The shower. The shower in the bathroom is... We went from a Class C to our fifth wheel because of the shower, I think. So, yeah, that's a bummer for me.
So there we go. It's a height thing. He's tall. Yeah, exactly. It's fine for me. I'm short.
Yeah. So that would be my least favorite. But what's your favorite?
My favorite. I had it right on the top of my head.
It's me.
My favorite is the fact that the bed folds so that you can actually walk by the rest of the day. You've got plenty of room in the bedroom. So that's a nice feature.
So talking about that, the nice feature was the bathroom right at the end of the kitchen, the public bathroom.
Would be
that was cool.
The half bath.
That was a nice feature. But my favorite is actually the frame. It's a Freightliner chassis. It's a truck chassis coming from the truck industry. I know the comfort of driving with this, and this is phenomenal. So remember, and do never forget, it's not about the destination.
It's all about the journey.